Effuse, mastering the art of expressive language. Imagine a politician giving a passionate speech or a poet reciting verses with intense emotion. These are perfect examples of people who effuse. Today, we're exploring this expressive word that can elevate your vocabulary to the highest levels of English proficiency. Word type. Effuse can function as both a verb and an adjective. Meaning, as a verb, effuse means to pour out or emit a liquid, light, smell, or feeling in copious quantities. It often implies a sense of abundance or overflowing. As an adjective, effusive describes someone or something characterized by unrestrained enthusiasm or demonstrative expression of feelings. Word history. Effuse originates from the Latin word effusus, the past participle of effunder, which means to pour out. It entered the English language in the 15th century, initially used in scientific context to describe the flow of fluids or gases. Over time, its usage expanded to include more abstract concepts like emotions and speech. Antonyms. Some antonyms of effuse include restrain, withhold, suppress, and conceal. These words represent the opposite of pouring out or expressing freely. Synonyms. Synonyms for effuse include gush, pour forth, exude, radiate, and emanate. When used as an adjective, effusive synonyms include demonstrative, expansive, and exuberant. Examples used in sentences. The proud grandmother effused praise for her grandchild's artistic talents. The rose garden effused a delightful fragrance that filled the entire neighborhood. His effusive personality made him the life of every party he attended. The critic wrote an effusive review of the new play, calling it a masterpiece of modern theater. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing effuse with infuse. While effuse means to pour out, infuse means to introduce or absorb. Another error is using effuse when diffuse would be more appropriate. Diffuse means to spread out over a wide area, while effuse implies a more concentrated outpouring. Mastering the word effuse and using it correctly can significantly enhance your vocabulary and help you express ideas with precision and sophistication. Remember, effuse is about abundance and uninhibited expression, whether it's emotions, praise, or even physical substances. By incorporating this word into your active vocabulary, you're not just learning a new term. You're gaining a powerful tool to articulate the concept of overflowing expression in various contexts.